$49.99 for this.
No, it's expensive in other stores.
Okay.
Be careful. This is what I got in IKEA. I'm gonna fluff it out pa para mas maganda siya later. Yeah. Look at that. I love it so much. And then this one, I don't know if I'm gonna... I might sell this one or keep it. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's go. Let's drink water. I'm thirsty too. Give me some water. Sit. Sit. Okay, go. Magkakalat, please. Sige, go. So cute. Wow, yarn. Wow, yarn, Celine. Also got this one in Ross. I'm so mad. I didn't see that there's a J on it. May ano kasi siya dito. Parang, yung packaging niya may, parang bilog siya. So, we didn't see the J. So, yeah, it has a J. But, I mean, it's still good. And then, pag may baso na, hindi naman siguro makikita yan. It's good. Look at that. And it's very heavy siya. I love it. Here at Target. Cute naman ito. Oh, bigat. How much? guys. I'm gonna take the tree down. Here's my OOTD. Next. I think it's this one.
There it is. Alright,
We need
how much
the
is
car. Get the car.
Feel that one.
Yeah, it's still that one. How do you zoom this?
Alright, which one looks the healthiest? I think this one.
Yeah.
It's only 20 bucks. Let's go.
Do you want to buy a new pot for that? This one?
I like the square ones.
Square ones. This is rectangle. Oh, this one's square. That's too big.
Yeah, I guess this one. Car's done.
Just $20.
Peace lilies. Those are easy to spot. They're like little white lilies.
Yeah.
And lady palm.
So you need soil for that.
You do?
If you're
Okay.
this is so exciting.
I know. I've never bought plants before. I can't wait to prove you wrong and how to take care of them. My plants are dead. My plants are dead.
Oh, this is strawberries.
I couldn't be any more of an amateur.
Nah, this is cactus. This one.
Do we need that much? Just
Maybe
get like this one?
I don't think so, maybe.
Why?
Because look at that pot, and then you're gonna buy another one.
I don't want to buy this big ass bag.
How about this one? Indoor potting mix.
Yeah, that'll work.
Contain plants. Yeah, this one. What is that?
It's a bird. Let's try to get one without a hole in it.
Ay!
These colored ones.
No, not the colored ones.
I forgot you only like white.
Neutral colors.
Okay, let's look at a
Ooh,
picture of
this.
peace lily.
What is this called? Pansy. Alright. That one. We're looking for that.
Hopefully they have them.
Oh, they have apples, peaches, roses. I feel like she's somewhere.
Oh, is it? English ivy.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah,
Can we put this in a bigger plant? That's this one.
this one, yeah. These are healthier. How about this? Or this? You pick. This is yours.
I think you're on the money with these. I think this one looks-
$3. Nice.
Get like a bigger pot for this so it can grow.
Yeah.